This 2024 Winnebago Travato 59 kiloliters is a Class B RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a blue, indigo, Columbian walnut interior, sleeps 2, external shower, refrigerator, smoke detector, stove top burner, water heater, TV, LP detector, skylight, spare tire kit, microwave, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Winnebago Travato 59 kiloliters is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.